Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So for today's video, I will be showing you guys this undertow bracelet, which was designed by Christy, 7284 Christy on Instagram. And this is genuinely the prettiest design. This is so pretty, as you can see. And yeah, it took me about 3 hours, I think, to find these color combinations. But I would recommend you guys to please explore the color combination because it was really fun. But yeah, I'll put the link of Christie's or the designer's Instagram account in my description box below, so make sure to check it out. Oh yeah, by the way, you guys probably noticed that my background is really different from the usual. That's because I'm in my parents' house right now, and I'm trying to find a good spot for filming, but I can't find one. So here I am at the floor, on the floor. So yeah, to make this bracelet, you will need a hook, obviously. I'm going to use this double-ended hook, and I would recommend you guys to use a double-ended hook. And then you will need a C-clip, and obviously some bands. So for the color combinations, I think I'm going to be doing the exact same one here. And this is probably not quite easy for beginners, so I would say this is an intermediate to advanced level. So yeah, to start, you wanna take the Persian white in here, grab one and make a cap pin on your hook, and then grab two more and pull it through the cap pin and simply just close it. And you want to make sure it's not crossing, so make sure it's just stay in order. And then next you want to grab the whites here, and the white will be a cap pin, so make a cap pin on your hook, and you could actually pull this cap pin through this first loop here, but I found another way which is easier to do it, but also tricky, okay? But at least I think it's easier for me. So grab your, will be this band here, grab the band, pull it through the cap pin and close. And what you want to do is take it off the hook like so, and then put the cap pin onto the hook, and you want to hold on to these Persian white loops, and then you can pull this cap pin through the very first loop, and want to close it by putting those two Persian whites to the hook again. Okay, and then you can grab the pink in here, pull it through the first 4 loops, 1 2 3 4, I'm sorry, 5 loops. Pull it through the first 5 loops, and pick up just the Persian whites. So pick up the first loop and the outer 2 loops, and rearrange those 2 Persian whites. Okay, should have this on your hook now. So at this point you can slide it down and do the other side, but I want to finish this side first. So now you can grab the gold in here, and pull it through pull it through the first 5 loops, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and then you can pick up just the pink, which is the first and the third loop, and close. Okay, now we can slide it down and do the exact same thing to this side. Now grab a white, will be cap band, make a cap band on your hook. I'm going to show you guys the other way to do this step. So hold your cap band like this, and then pull it through the first loop. Remember, it should be the same loop as this one. And as you can see, I'm kind of crossing. My bands are crossing, so make sure to put it on the right order, and put your cap band back and pull it through just the first loop. Okay, it's the same band now. I hope you can see it. And then you can pull the Persian whites, pull it through just the first half of the cap band. This is easier but really tight, so I don't like it. That's why I prefer this way. Okay, you can close, and then you can grab the pink now, pull it through the first 5 loops, and pick up just the Persian white, which is the first, and the outer 3 loops, and rearrange these 2 Persian whites. And then you can grab the gold now, and then you can pull it through the first 5 loops and pick up the first and the third loop and close. Okay, you should have this on your hook now. So now we can restart the sequence by pulling another Persian white through everything except this very last loop here. You want to be very careful, and then pick up this center 2 loops back onto your hook, and then the very last loop and close. And then you want to rearrange. Okay, like so. Should have this on your hook now, and then you can grab 2 more of the Persian whites, pull it through the first half or the first 3 loops on your hook, and then pick up the middle one or the second loop, which is the Persian white, and close. And then you can do the same thing to this side. So slide it down, pull a band through the first 3 loops, and then pick up the middle one and close. Okay, so now we're back at this step again. So grab your white and make a cap band on your hook. Then you can grab the Persian white again and pull it through the cap band and close. Then you wanna take it off the hook and make sure this Persian white is not going out of this cap band. And then remember, wanna put the cap band back onto your hook, and then hold tight these 2 loops, then pull the cap band through the first loop, and then reclaim these 2 loops back onto your hook. Okay, now grab your purple, pull it through the first 6 loops now. Okay, and you want to pick up the very first loop and the outer 2 loops back onto your hook and close. Again, you want to rearrange these 2 loops to the left like so. Then you can grab the gold now and pull it through this purple here, which is 5 loops, 1 2 3 4 5, and then pick up the purple, which is the first loop and the third loop, and close. Okay, let's do this side now. Grab your white and make a cap pin on your hook. Grab a Persian white, pull it through the cap pin and close. Take it off the hook and then put the cap pin on your hook, and make sure to hold this band carefully. Pull it through just the first loop and then reclaim these Persian whites like so. And now you can take the purple again, pull it through the first 6 loops. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pick up the very first loop and the last 2 loops and rearrange. Okay, now we can grab the gold and pull it through the first 5 loops, then pick up just the purple and close. Okay, should have this on your hook now. And sometimes the Persian white in here like to twist it. As you can see, you can just pull it and fix it. Okay, and to restart the sequence again, you can grab the Persian whites and then pull it through everything except this very last loop. Carefully, because you don't want to lose the bands. Well, if you have the Loom hook, of course it has a nice hold to the bands, but I have the crochet hook here, so carefully. So after you reach this point, you want to pick up these 2 center 2 loops, which is gold, and then the very last loop and close. Again, rearrange this very last one, and you should have this on your hook now. And we can restart again by grabbing this Persian white. So I'm going to show you guys one last time. Grab your Persian white, pull it through the first 3 loops, pick up the middle one and close, slide it down, pull a band through the first 3 loops, pick up the middle one and close. Now we can grab the cap band, which is the white. Make a cap band on your hook, and again you can just pull this cap band through the first loop and close. Then you can grab the Persian white again, then pull it through the first half of the cap band like so, and then close. Okay, now you can grab the Caribbean green here and then pull it through the first 6 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6. Then pick up the very first loop and the outer 2 loops back onto your hook, and then you want to rearrange these 2 Persian white to the outside like so. And then you can take the gold now, pull it through the first 5 loops, and then pick up just the Caribbean green, or the first and the 3rd loop like so, and then slide it down so we can do this other side. grab your cap band, just whites, make a cap band on your hook, pull the cap band through the first loop and close. Grab another Persian whites, pull it through just the first half of the cap band and close. Grab the Caribbean green, pull it through the first 6 loops. Okay, pick up the very first loop and the outer 2 loops and close, and then rearrange these 2 loops to the outside like so. You should have this now. And then you can grab the gold, pull it through the first 5 loops and just pick up the Caribbean green loops, or the first and third loop, and close. So if you're following it correctly and the band is not twisting, you should have 8 loops on your hook now, like this. And then, since I'm just going to show you guys this long, so to close it off, you can just pull a Persian white through everything except this last loop here, and then you can reclaim all the golds like so. And you can grab another Persian white and just pull it through everything and simply close it, and then you can attach the C-clip. So that's how you close it. And of course you can continue to make yours long enough to fit your wrist. And I'm sorry if I'm not explaining clearly, but I hope the visuals can help you to make it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure to check Christy's account. And thank you so much. Goodbye.